Hey guys, welcome to Ballistic. My name is Ton. I'm gonna be the host of the videos, I guess. This is an introductory video. Right here we got my 2007 Subaru Outback XT. We're gonna be doing a few small things to it, such as a shift boot right here. It isn't automatic, but we'll still make it work. And then I also got this excess power blow-off valve, and hopefully we can get some nice sounds out of this stock little thing here. Here's a closer look at the things. Shift boot right here is just regular black shift boot. It's got a white threading down the lines here. Hopefully that'll match with the theme of the car later on when we paint it. Here we got excess power. Comes with some stickers, installation instructions, and whatnot. Here's a blow-off valve, a little closer look for you. Here you guys go. It is definitely an automatic. Just got this tan interior here, which kind of sucks, but hopefully later on we can fix that. I haven't seen too many installation instructions online for doing these automatic transmission shift boots on the Legacies or Outbacks, but we'll give it our best shot. Alright guys, so it's pretty easy enough. Just gotta have the boot here, and it looks like we can't really do much about the centerpiece here, but we can remove the chrome trim and use that to maintain the shift boot onto the shift. Here we go. Yes? There we go. Next I'm gonna get a flathead screwdriver and start removing this trim around the edge.
If you're gonna leave, I'ma let you go.
Just like that, we got that trim out. Looks like we can go ahead and just attach the shift boot around this inside piece, and it should be able to hold itself right in place. So it looks like we won't be able to get away with that. I'm gonna have to go ahead and trim it, probably about right around here, all the way across. Alright, well, we're back. Camera died on us, but that's alright. Let's go ahead and check this out here. Maybe not. Looks like our battery died. Let's try this again. That works. Alright guys, well, I'm a little sweaty, but we were able to finally get it. I'm gonna go ahead and give her a little startup and we can get a quick listen before we start adjusting things. Oh yeah, that's what I'm talking about. here we go, guys. Go ahead and get buckled up here real quick before we take off. So it doesn't seem to be that loud. I'm not hearing any turbo flutter either, so I'm not entirely sure what's going on with that blow-off valve. Here's our finished product of the shift boot, by the way. Turned out pretty good. I got a little charm on there. It's kind of hard to hear on camera, but it is working for sure. Alright guys, well overall it turned out to be pretty good. I don't know why that blow-off valve wasn't going into turbo flutter. I may have to see if it's just because it's a cheap blow-off valve or what, but hopefully in the next video we'll be able to do some calipers and rotors as well as some fresh new wheels for the Outback. I got some new calipers in here that I've already painted, and I've got some older wheels that I've got hiding in the back behind my fiance's car. I don't have an outro yet, but hopefully I can get one soon. So until then,